Good morning, children. Today, I would like to explain to you how to express the fraction as percentage. How to express fraction as percentage. Suppose a fractional number is given as 5 by 100. So it's already the denominator is 100 and it is equal to 5%. It is very easy to express. So the way to express fraction as percentage is if the denominator is 100, then you can write it directly. But there is a simple formula or a simple rule which you can follow to express fraction as percentage. And that rule is numerator by denominator into 100. Okay, children? Numerator is 5 and denominator is 100 into 100. See the same sum, I have shown it by using this formula. Now, 100 is the denominator. So, we can cancel this 2 zeros. Because we are dividing, we can use this as a to divide the above 100. So, or you can either cancel the 0, that is the short method, or 100 divided by 100. That is 100 ones are 100. And the next one is to multiply. That is equal to 5%. So this is one method to express fraction as percentage. Suppose the number given or the fraction given is 5 by 10. Okay, children? 5 is in the numerator, 10 is in the denominator. So we want to convert it into a percentage, 100. I told you that we can take the short method of, because it is division, we know that if you want to divide 100 divided by 10, the shortest method is to cancel the zeros. That is the short method. Otherwise, you have to go and divide 100 divided by 10. So, the percentage is 50%. Okay, children? 5 by 10 is equal to 50%. Now, if we have a number as 3 by 10, so the simple rule is 3 by 10 into 100. That is equal to 30%. 1 tens are. Understood? 1 again has to be dividing this 10. This line where the 10 lies is the denominator line or the division of the denominator, and this line means the denominator divides the number. Now, these fractions are easy because they are 10 and 100. But if the denominator is a different number, let's check. So, I told you again that this line is a division line. If the number lies below the division line, this number will, or the denominator is used to divide the above numbers. Suppose the fraction is 3 by 5 and we have to find the percentage. 3 by 5 into 100. So, the simple way is 100 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. Okay, children? This 0 will come down. So, 2 zeros are 0. So, 100 divided by 5 is 20. And 20 multiplied by 3 is 60%. 3 by 5 is equal to 60%. Now we have a number 2 by 20. Now let's take a number 2 by 20. So 2 by 20 fraction has to be expressed as a percentage. How do we express this fraction as a percentage? Always remember this rule. Numerator, denominator is already there, but it has to be expressed as a percentage. Do not forget this. The fraction is expressing as percentage. 2 by 10. So 10, 100 divided by 10 is 10, 20. I told you that I will be explaining it as with the denominator 20. So when the denominator is 20, so always remember, why are we taking 100? Because we want to find out the percentage. So one easy method is, simple method is, whenever there is a 0, you can cut this 0, 0. Then 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 10%. Or if you don't want to cut the zeros and take the long method, 2 by 20 into 100. So 100 divided by 20, 5. That is 100 divided by 20. 25s are 100. So the simple method is 5. Then again 5 into 2 is 10. So whichever method you use, you have to get the quotient, this as 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. So suppose if the fraction given is 2 by 50. Very easy. 2 by 50. It is a fraction, but it has to be made into percentage. Children, always remember this rule we are following. Fraction is made into percentage. So 50, you can either cut the zeros. 5 2s are 10. Or if you don't want that, 100 can be divided by 50. So 100 divided by 50. 52s are 100. Then 2 2s are 4%. Understood, children? 50. When 100 is divided by 50, you get 2 and 2 2s are 4. So that is how a fraction is expressed as a percentage. Now, if you take another number, if the is a whole number like 2 by 2, we know 2 by 2 is a whole number, 2. So, but you want to express it as a percentage. So, 100 divided by 2. Always I said this line where the number line is there, this is a division. So, all the numbers that lie below this line is always the number used to divide. But here the top is the multiplication. So 2 5s are 10. 0. 50. 52s are 50 multiplied by 2, 100%. Or there is another easy method, because the top portion is multiplication. 2 into 100 by 2. 2 into 100 is 200 by 2. That is equal to 100. So either you can multiply first and then divide, or use this for division then multiply. So there are two ways to convert the fraction into percentage. So be clear with this. Suppose it is 3 by 10 into 100. Okay, children? Either you can multiply first. 3 into 100 is 300. And then divide by 10. This 10, this 10. This 0 can be cancelled, 30%. Otherwise, you can go by the division method. 3 by 10 into 100. 1 10s are 10 is equal to 30. So whichever method you want, you can use. Either multiply first and then divide by 10, or divide the denominator, cut these zeros, divide this denominator by this 100, and then do it. So whatever method you use, you will get the answer. But remember that to express a fraction as a percentage, you have to use n by d. The numerator denominator is already there. Multiply by 100. So I will explain once more the two methods. Okay, children? 4 by 20 into 100. Okay. So you can use the first method. 4 into 100 is 400 by 20. Then 2 will go 20s are 20%. Or you can do another method. 4 by 20 into 100. So 20, 100 divided by 20. If you don't know, take it to the side. 25s are 100. And you get 5 4s are 20. So whichever method you want to follow, children, you can follow the method. Either because this multiplication sign is there, you can multiply first and then divide, or use the division denominator to divide. I hope this expressing fraction as percentage is clear with you. Thank you, children.